Welcome to a fresh morning here out at Deception Bay. You can see we've already had a slab prepared for us here. What we've done, we got an interesting flat gable flat out the backyard here. So if you can imagine, in this little section here, there's going to be a little gable section, and it's going to come all the way out to the slab here as a gable, and then all the way to the end of the house here there's going to be a flat roof, so just a simple flat roof with a gutter out the front, and then up over here there's going to be another flat roof next to the gable and coming out to this corner of the slab. Well, this is a job where we've got a carport out the front as well, so I'll just take you for a wander around the front. You can see plenty of sheets and beams out the front here being delivered. The carport is pretty simple, it's just a standard gable roof, but you can see where it's going to be going here. These cars are going to get moved in a second. We're going to start out the front here. I'll just quickly show you the plans to get you a good idea. So you can see that one there, that's the gable out the front that's going to be happening, and that one there is going to be the flat gable flat that we're doing out the back. So as Damo's unwrapping the beams, we'll get into it and give you some update. Here's an update on our progress out in the back pergola. You can see we've got all the beams and posts in position. We've got a sheet there keeping that one in line. This is one beam missing here. This is where the gable's going to be going. There's going to be a gable coming all the way from that beam to here. We get stuck into that first thing this morning, and yesterday afternoon we managed to get a few sheets in. So you can see this is one of the first flat sections, and obviously that sheet's just keeping that beam where we want it down there. So hopefully by the end of today you'll see our gable roof coming along here, and we'll have all this section complete for you. We'll keep you updated. Look at the masterpiece Shano's creating over here. We've got the small gable, which is gonna, you can see the first two sheets there, so that's going to be the height of it. We've also got a poly infill to go in there later on. But that's going to look nice when it comes sheeted all the way along down here. That's going to come up quite nice. We'll get back to you when the sheets. See here we're on the roof with a progress update. We've got half the gable sheeted. You can see the top of our flat roof over there, and you can see from the outside we've got a little drip down flashing into the gutter. Also some polycarb infill, so let a little bit of light through to underneath the patio with nice capping on the top. Obviously going to start sheeting the other side, and it'll be all nice and watertight. Welcome to the carport that we're creating. As you can see, we've got a couple of sheets tacked on and the framework propped up on some posts. You can see we've braced it all square and level, and Damo's just working on the infill up on the roof there. And Shano, he's got a bit of digging ahead of him. Out the back we've got to dig a lot of stormwater pipes to get the rainwater around to a pit. So he's going to be busy digging, and me and Damo, we're going to be out on the front here finishing off the roof sheets. So we'll get back to you when we've just finished day 3 here, and we'll probably have another day to go before this is complete. We've got you can see our brackets for our guttering ready to go there. We've got this side is the sheets are just tacked on at the moment. You can see we've got a couple of braces in there, one there. We've got some props. We've got the concrete going off at the moment, so those props are just going to hold that off for the weekend. You see nice king post there and the beam. It's coming up rather nice area for carport under here. And we've finished out the back, but I'll show you that one later on. We'll catch you on Monday. Look at that, completion. Lovely nice street presence now with a new carport out the front here. You can see the nice sunrise we've installed there. Nice little touch, a little bit fancy. Lovely red barges on a paper bark sheets and beams. You can see nice 70mm by 70mm RHS posts. We got our red square line guttering, and what we've actually done here, we've merged these two gutters together here, so we actually haven't got any downpipe from this patio. So the water runs from this end here all the way into here, into this junction here, and it's going to continue into that downpipe there. So we've managed to avoid putting a downpipe in, make that look a little bit neater. We've done the same on the other side. You can see underneath from earlier our hockey stick brackets holding out the back beam here. Looking quite nice there. We've managed to install our polycarb infills. That's going to let a bit of sunlight in and also weather protection. You can see here, same again with this gutter, all the way over to there. The water's going to be coming in to our little junction there and down into this downpipe. We'll go for a wander out the back and show you the other patio that we've constructed. You can see what we've had to do with this one. We've had to dig a trench all the way to this little pit here. So you see the dirt that we've dug and relaid here. You can see the downpipe, and it comes all the way along here. So you can see obviously the two downpipes all the way over to that pit. It's a bit hard to get a good perspective of this one, but this one's our flat gable flat. Same colour scheme, looking quite nice. We've just installed a dartboard over here, so that's going to be a nice area for a good game of darts. We've got our polycarb infill again, all looking quite nice. Very small little feature up in here, a little sunrise, match out the front. And that is how we do that. It's going to be a lovely entertaining area out here now, and obviously a good spot for the washing on the line. We'll see you next time.